Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, as most of you are not subscribed. Leave a comment, and don't forget to click the bell notification. Okay, let's get into today's dish. We have a honey mustard chicken salad. First thing we got to do is make the honey mustard vinaigrette. All right, in a bowl, as you can see, I have a quarter cup of Dijon mustard, along with a quarter cup of extra virgin olive oil. And then we're going to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And then a tablespoon of lemon juice. Also eyeball in 3 tablespoons of honey. Measuring honey's kind of a pain. Then whisk everything together, pour it into a condiment bottle, and fridge for about 10 minutes or so. Or up to overnight. The dressing will be good in your fridge for a couple of days. Okay, here's our chicken. It's very, very simple to make this. It's 1 pound of chicken, which was 2 breasts. I slid them or cut them lengthwise in half, basically, and then just seasoned them with salt and pepper, cooking them up in a little bit of olive oil over like a medium-low heat, because chicken does not like heat. And then you just want to cook these till they're 165 internal and let them rest for about 10 minutes or so. And then you want to cut them into strips. All right, let's make our salad. Oh, one other thing, it is a good idea after you've sliced them to let them rest again. And kind of get it to room temperature, because again, it's a salad. Okay, first thing is the lettuce. These are Hearts of Romaine that obviously I chopped up into bite-sized pieces. Followed by our lovely pan-fried chicken. And then some Southwest tortilla strips. You can find these at your local grocery store where the croutons are. And then some bits of Gorgonzola cheese. And then some of that honey mustard vinaigrette dressing we made. Nice little thing on that. And that's it. Honey mustard chicken salad. Done.